What's up, guys? Okay, so this is a trade from Monday, August 14th. If you remember my last video, I lost about $20 on Monday, and so I was down at this point in the day. But I liked FRTA. It looked like it would push up to that previous high of day, and so I decided to get in with a small share size of 150, and my entrance was about $5.10. And so yeah, this one looked like it would at least try to push towards that high of day. I wasn't extremely confident that it would push over that high of day, but I knew, or at least I thought it would at least make that push towards that high of day. And this is one of my strategies, is to ride that momentum. A lot of times I've noticed that whenever the stock tries to break over a half or whole dollar mark or a previous high, it gets rejected and washes out a lot, and it traps a lot of longs. One of my strategies is to just ride that push up. So if it looks like it's going to at least try that high of day, I'll get in early, ride that push up, and then exit right around the high of day if it doesn't break over it clean. And this FRTA trade is an example of that strategy. And so yeah, it kind of teetered around the 510, 515 range for a minute or two. I'm going to skip forward in the video. And then it bounces up relatively quickly, reaching 530 in a matter of 1 or 2 minutes. And so at this point, I was up a decent amount. I was up around $30. And I decided to take profits ultimately and bank a little bit so I could be more comfortable in the trade, because it was moving pretty quickly up to that point. So like I said, I decided to take off 75 shares, and so half of my position, and let the other 75 work for me since it was a minimal risk. At this point, I knew I would at least make a little bit of money. I just didn't know how much I was going to make, which is a great position to find yourself in as a trader. I suggest all new traders try to get in this position to where you're definitely going to profit. You just don't know how much, and it's a risk-free trade at that point. You know you're not going to lose money. That's the ideal trading position, so you should always try to get in it. But anyway, so yeah, I tried to let this other 75 shares work for me. I wasn't confident the stock would keep going up. It barely cracked that previous high of day, and then it started kind of falling down. And so my goal with this one, once it hit 530 again, I told myself if it went back down to the 525 range, I would exit for a $25 profit on my small UStock account. And so yeah, this was my rebounding trade. I ended up on the day on Monday, which I'm definitely happy about, even if it was only a small amount. But yeah, FRTA did bounce back down to the 525 range where I exited. I had one more trade on Monday with an $8 profit, but it wasn't long enough or big enough for me to consider making a video about. I had a great day yesterday and today on Wednesday, so I should be uploading those videos soon, so just be on the lookout for them, and just make sure to come check out our free day trading chat. I post a link in every video's description. Like and share if you want to help support these videos. Thanks.